Start. The healthcare investment policy of Jammu and Kashmir, announced with much significance in 2019, was meant to usher in a new era of private healthcare development. Stop. Backed by lucrative incentives and a declared intent to establish a medicity in Jammu, it promised to bridge the glaring gap in medical infrastructure across the Union territory. Stop. Yet, over 6 years later, the policy remains buried under layers of bureaucratic inertia. Stop. No private hospital project has taken off, and medicity remains a mirage. Stop. What was once touted as a visionary step has turned into another example of the government's apathy towards a critical public need. Stop. Para. The 2019 healthcare investment policy has generated tremendous interest among reputed private players, who collectively proposed investments worth crores. Stop. Yet, all these plans have stagnated because the government has failed to perform the most basic task, identifying and allotting suitable land. Stop. The failure to resolve such a simple yet crucial issue exposes the lack of seriousness and coordination between departments. Stop. For a medical facility, particularly super specialty hospital, to thrive, location is everything. Stop. Accessibility, connectivity, and availability of civic infrastructure determine both operational viability and patient trust. Stop. The government must therefore prioritize identifying a suitable land pool in an area that meets these criteria. Stop. Para. Women's active participation carries profound significance for India's developmental journey. Stop. Women, who form nearly half of the nation's population, are not just homemakers, they are the backbone of families and the invisible force driving India's economic and social progress. Stop. A nation aspiring to become developed cannot afford to leave behind the very segment that nurtures its human and moral capital. Stop. The assertion that women led societies in both humane and efficient is backed by lived reality. Stop. Para. India stands at a defining moment. Stop. Women have already proven their competence and courage, what they now need is opportunity and recognition. Stop. The more we invest in women's participation, the faster India will reach its dream of becoming Viksit Bharat even before 2047. Stop.